Okay, we're back at it today. We are doing item 26, page 71. So I'm going to do something very crazy, and I'm going to tell you you're doing 7 and 8 for homework. And I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. Okay? The teacher bought the class new books to use. All right, so we are going to check the 2. And use is a verb, so I double underline it and put a V above it. Who or what is doing the action is the teacher. And what is the teacher doing? Excuse me, the label as an adjective, and the teacher bought. Sorry. Okay, so after verb, I have 2 nouns that I have to circle. Class and books. So go ahead and circle both those. And so I don't forget, do our adjectives like I did last night. Okay. Is the teacher equal to the class? No, the teacher is not the same thing as the class. So I do my line to look for my direct object, 2, 4. The teacher bought for the class. That makes sense. So that's my indirect object. Number 11, she gave the deer a pat on his head. On his head is a prepositional phrase. His is a possessive adjective. Don't forget your arrow. Who or what is doing the action is she. That is a subject pronoun because I don't know who she is. What did she do? She gave is my main verb. After the verb, I have 2 nouns, deer and pat. So I circle both of them. And I ask myself, is she equal to the deer? No. Is she equal to a pat? No. So then I want to see if it's an indirect object. 2, 4. She gave to the deer a pat. That makes sense. That's my indirect object. Don't forget. Everything else should be an adjective before the noun. Okay, number 10. At that time, Jane wanted to eat before lunch. I have a 2 to check. I have 2 prepositional phrases, okay? At that time, before lunch. First word is always my preposition. Last word is always the noun. That is a demo adjective. Don't forget my arrow. To eat. Eat is a verb that Miss Leary loves to do. See, I always talk about Miss Leary. It's not my main verb, though. Yeah. Not my main verb. All right. Who or what is doing the action? That's Jane. She's my subject. And what did Jane do? Jane wanted. That's my main verb. Last one. I put the wood in the fireplace to burn. Okay. So I see a prep phrase, where's the wood in the fireplace? And I see a 2 that I need to check. First word's preposition, last word's the noun, anything in the middle is an adjective. To burn, burn is a verb. Who or what is doing the action? It is I, but I have no clue who I is, so it's a subject pronoun. Who is I? What did I do? I put is my main verb. Now, after my verb, I have a noun, which is wood. Am I equal to wood? No. I put to the wood. Oh boy, let me do that, sorry. I put to the wood. I put for the wood in the fireplace. That doesn't make sense to me. So I'm going to leave wood alone. Adjective, arrow. All done. And don't forget, we are doing 7 and 8 tonight. We're being wild. All right. Have a great night.